Today we'll talk about how can you add method words in tags on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on moderation. So then you click here on method words in tags. And here can you enter a word or tag here. So in here you select duration and here match in. So then options and you add here, you click on add. So then it's going to add with you. When you click here on add, it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.